Chompers, welcome back to another video. Welcome to Chomp Town, home of the Chomp Queen, where we are happily eating good. And also welcome to Shout Out Fridays. This is what, the second or third week, and we are going strong. And let me just say that the list is so long this week. And with it being Friday, I was like, let me just get the casual Friday stuff. So I ordered some food from the place not too far from me, you know, pizza, wings, and then I had to lighten it up with a salad. So let's see what we got. Ooh, that looks so good. So we got some pizza right here. I just got a pepperoni pizza. I got some hot buffalo wings, and then for the first time I got some garlic parmesan wings. Cause, you know, I want to try something different. I never tried them before, and plus Babe was treating this time, so I was like, well, let me get it on his money. So I got some buffalo wings. And that's what they look like. They're a little dry in my opinion. Sauce on the bottom though. And then I got the garlic parmesan. Let's see what that's looking like. I usually try to have my stuff set up before I start filming, but y'all, I'm hungry. They delivered it, and I was like, all right, it's time to film. And then I got just a garden salad. So, all this ain't gonna fit in the shot, but we gonna make it do what it do. Let's see what we can get going here. Put the pizza right here, and then put the salad up here. All right, y'all might be able to see it all. And then, of course, I got me some white cran peach juice. Yeah, I wanted to be it so bad. Ooh, they put a little olive on my thing. I don't like olives. Y'all like olives? I hear like people really, really love them, and then you have those who really, really hate them. I've tried them a couple times, but I can't get with the flavor, the texture. So I opt out. But let's go ahead and say some grace so we can get to eating. Lord, I thank you for this food that you set before me. I ask that you bless it. Let it be of nourishment to my body. In your precious name I pray. In Jesus' name, amen. Oh, where should I start, y'all? Y'all can see the pizza, right? Yeah, let me prop it up and down. Maybe I can get a thumbnail going since I ain't do that yet. Lord. I just hold it. Alright, so we got pizza, salad, wings, thumbnail. Alright, y'all. Let's eat. Let's get to these names. I think I want pizza first. I just got me a, I asked for a small, but they gave me a 10-inch, so I'm assuming that's what's small there. That's so good. I asked for blue cheese for my wings, and I asked for ranch for my salad. It looked like they got 2 ranch, which I don't really like. I think this is ranch. And this blue cheese. They both smell like ranch. Anyway, let's dip the pizza and see what it is. Tastes like blue cheese, but it's just so thin. Well, I don't know what it is, y'all. Look like ranch, kind of tastes like blue cheese. I don't know. It's good though. I forgot to offer y'all a bite. How y'all doing today? What y'all doing this Friday night? My square has been cold and rainy all week. All week. We're staying in tonight. So we usually either order some food or go pick up something on Friday nights, because I don't like to cook on Fridays. I feel like it's my day off. They ain't bring me no fork. I'm supposed to eat my salad. Let's see if we got one. No. We got a spork. That'll do. I don't know why I've been craving a salad lately. Ooh, they got green peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers. I wish I had some meat in it. Lord, I didn't even eat the spicy stuff yet. You want some salad? I'm like, no. Fresh though. All right. Let's try these. Garlic Parmesan. Have you tried it before? I think Buffalo Wild Wings sell something like this. And Wingstop? But that stuff is too far. I don't even think we have a Wingstop. Buffalo Wild Wings kind of far. It kind of tastes like fried chicken. I don't really taste the Parmesan or the garlic. I can see the Parmesan, but I don't taste it. Really. I feel like I got gypped. This just tastes like plain wings. That ain't right. Alright. No, something went down the wrong way. Try the hot. I usually get mild buffalo, but today I got hot. Let's see how hot they are. Oh, those are good. These are good. These are right there with Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut has some good buffalo wings. It's Pizza Hut quality. It's so good. Pizza. What y'all eating on tonight? Friday night. What's your Friday night meal? And you like to cook on Friday? What day of the week don't you like to cook? I pretty much don't cook or don't like to cook Friday and Saturday. Most times I'll cook on Saturday. That's delicious. Alright. Let's start shouting out some names. Hold on right quick. Woo! I had 2 sheets of paper. Alright, so first on the list is Shay Bledsoe. Hey Shay, how you doing, girl? What you eating on? Oh, spicy. No, we might have a challenge video coming up for y'all this weekend. Me and Jeremiah. He don't know about it yet. Mmm. Ooh, so good. Alright, Shay. Tamika Bartley. She said that her daughter watches. Her name is Vanya and she's 7. Hey Vanya. How are you? And Tamika. Then we have Bima Kulabay. Oh Lord. Hold on. Kulabali. B-I-M-A. Kulabali. That's what it look like. Nene Eats. Hey girl. She has a mukbang channel. Check her out, y'all. Nene Eats. Colette Styles. Hey Colette. She was one of the ones that I missed in my last week's shout out. So I apologize, but I got you this time. So that was Colette Styles. Then we got Bobby and Ashley. If I'm not mistaken, they have a channel. Lord, I don't want to butcher this name. First name is Isabella. Last name Hold on. Bianca. It looks like Bianca with Niello on the end. Bianca Niello. I'm sorry. Bianca. I don't know. Fly Life with Fly J. Oh, she is a flight attendant and she vlogs her layovers. So if you're into like travel stuff and want to see different places, then that would be a nice channel to follow. Everything Korean. C-O-R-I-A-M. Everything Korean. Hey. Joan Coleman. Always in the comments. I appreciate your support. Yes, I do. I really do. Hey, girl. Brenda Osborne. Always in the comments. And I'm just dipping stuff. Uniqua Anderson. Hey, Lele B. Cooking with Mo. Hey, Mo. I'm sure she has a channel. Some people said they have a channel, but they don't have subscribers yet. They don't even have videos up yet, so I guess they just trying to get their name out there so that when they start uploading stuff, then, you know, people will know who they are. Maria Holmes Robinson. Hey, Maria. Then we had Kit Kat 101. That is so good. I really wanted some pizza this weekend. I'm so glad I got it. Pizza and wings. Classic. What's your weekend go-to meal? Is it pizza and wings? Is it burger and fries? What is it? Who else we got on the list? Augustine Bryant. She's been commenting a lot lately. Excuse me. Kiana Maker. Hi, Kiana. I really like that name. I remember I used to tell guys I didn't like that my name was Kiana. I think most of us women have names that we, you know, give guys that approach us that we just didn't like. This when I was in like high school. And especially if they were persistent. I'm like, no, okay. Well, just get your name and your number. No, I'm good. And they still like still try to talk to you, but like, no, I'm okay. Then they be like, well, just put your name and number in my phone. They got slick with it though, cause you used to be able to, you know, get somebody your number and then walk away. Didn't have to worry about it, but then they started calling you while you was standing right there. One time I gave them my number, my phone didn't ring. I was mad. He surprised me too. He surprised me. When he started dialing numbers, I was like, I should have sped walk off. Who else we got? Yolanda Langston. Yeah, she's always in the comments. And she's always cooking something good. She said she was going to start a channel. I'm waiting for it. Those meals that she was telling me about, ooh, they sound so good. I hope she do start a channel. Man, I be watching. I hope she show how she cook the food too. She sound like she cooked some good southern food. Who else? True ASMR. TRU ASMR. That's good. Who else? Did I already say his name? Yeah, I already said that name. Royalty 56. Sounds like a channel name. I think that's it. Because I already said Shay Bledsoe and Colette Styles. That's how I knew I was back at the beginning of the list. Alright. So that was everybody that was on my list for shout outs this week. If you would like a shout out in next Friday's video, leave it down below in the comments what your channel name is if you have a channel, or if you just want to be shout out your name. Leave it down below so that next Friday we can get you shout out. Looking good. I don't like the drumsticks. I like the flat parts. No, never seem like they give you enough flat parts. We called it there and asked for all flats. He was like, we don't do that no more. I thought everybody was getting stuck with the drumsticks. That don't taste like no garlic parmesan. I know next time. I feel like they was a little skimpy on the sauce anyway. Usually, those things be drenched. I'm kind of full, y'all. Y'all know how I am. I figured I'm gonna have some company stop by, so can't be in here all night chit-chatting it up with y'all. Not tonight. This was good. This was good. Well, I shouted everybody out just like I promised. Don't forget to leave your comments down below if you want to be shouted out next Friday's video. Thank you so much for stopping past Chunktown. Y'all know I appreciate it. You know I do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Have a good Friday night. Bye, guys.